In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the TTM of Now You're Mine by DJ Premier. So I basically thought I'd put this subject to bed, but then a few days ago, Skratch Bastid did the DJ Premier Scratch Challenge. I'd already done all the work, so I decided to record the footage, which is basically all 3 choruses from Now You're Mine in one section. And another comment I got on the last video was that it could have been cool to have included the TTM to the scratches to show how to do them in more detail. TTM stands for Turntable Transcript Methodology. That's right, it's pretty hard to say actually. It's quite a simple concept, but I'll link to the booklet in the comments. But yeah, let's get into it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it obviously helps me no end, and I'm trying to get to 1,000 followers. That's my new goal. I'm nearly at 600, so thank you to all the new followers, and yeah, let's go! Hope you enjoyed that. Honestly, the time to result ratio on this one was pretty bad, but since I was a beginner scratcher, I've always wanted to see the animation of the scratches as it actually happened, and I think I got 90% of the way there. It wasn't perfect, but I think it was pretty good. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've got a ton of video content planned. I'm just waiting for some posts to come through before I can get the next video out, but it's going to be a good one, so bye!